Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use voice control on a GoPro Lit Hero in order to operate your camera hands-free. To do it, you will need to enable the voice control. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen and you will find this button. This is voice control. Once it's enabled, which means it lights up on blue, you can now use it. In order to use it, just say out loud one of the 8 following commands. One of them is going to be GoPro Capture. That will capture in the current mode. So if I go to like 4.3 video, then GoPro Capture. You can see it starts capturing in the current selected mode. I can also say GoPro Stop Capture. It will stop capturing in the current selected mode. Now you can also, when you're, for example, in any mode, including the photo as well, GoPro Start Recording. It will switch to video mode and start recording in that. You can then say GoPro Stop Recording. Now I'm in video mode, and if I want, I can also say GoPro Take a photo. And that will take a photo even though I'm currently in the video mode. Now I can also say GoPro Video Mode. And that will switch me to video mode, and I can say GoPro Photo Mode. And that will switch to photo mode. GoPro Photo Mode, as you can see. And the last one is shutting down your device by saying GoPro Turn Off. Let's try that again. GoPro Turn Off. And as you can see, it is powering off. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.